Let's now talk about annuities and amortizations. An annuity simply is a form of insurance or investment entitling the investor to a series of annual sums. It means that if you want to invest a certain amount each year, and after 10 years you want to have an increased amount or a leveraged amount, then you must invest in an annuity. It means like for 10 years I can put 5,000 each year. At the end of the 10 years, instead of having 50,000, they will become, let's say, 70,000. So you keep saving, but having an interest gained on your savings. This is what's meant by an annuity. For an amortization, it's a period in which a debt is reduced or paid off by regular payments. Amortization is like when you take a loan from the bank and you have to repay the loan again to the bank on regular payments. This is amortizations. Now, there is no use to memorize any formula. The only thing that you have to know is to use the graphical display calculator. The first thing that we have to know is the number of payments. The number of payments is always equal to the number of months. If it was a monthly payment, then it will be equal to the number of months if it was a monthly payment. Most of the questions are monthly payments. The second thing that we have to know is the interest rate, mainly is the nominal interest rate. And we have the principal value. The principal value is the same as, we call it the present value. And we have the payment amount, how much we will be paying. And we have the future value and payments per year. If it's monthly, then I have 12 payments per year and the compounding periods per year. Also, the compounding periods per year is how many compounding periods per year do I have. So for the compounding periods per year, if it was yearly, then it's equal to 1. If it was semi-annual, then it's equal to 2. If it was quarterly, the compounding, then this will be equal to 4. If it was monthly, the compounding, then the compounding periods are equal to 12. Let's now have an example. Sarah decides to save for a house. She would like to have 500,000 US dollars at the end of 10 years. So at the end of 10 years, she would like to have 500,000 US dollars. She saves every year an annuity that pays a 4% interest. Calculate how much she has to save each year. So now, first thing I need to know, N, which is the number of payments, N simply equal 10 years, so it's equal to 10. Then we have 2. The interest rate is equal to 4. The PV, the principal value, in this case is equal to 0 because it starts from 0. And the PMT, the payment that she has to pay yearly, we have to figure it out. The future value is equal to the amount she wants to have, which is 500,000. And the payments per year, she will pay only one payment per year. So the payments per year is simply equal to 1, and compounding periods per year is simply equal to 1. Now, to find the PMT, we will use our graphical display calculator. So now the yearly payment, which is the PMT, simply the PMT is equal to, we start our graphical display calculator, we go to menu, and we go to financial. And we execute. In the financial, we go to F2, which is the compound interest. Now we fill N to be 10. The interest is 4. The present value is 0. The payment, we don't know the payment. We keep it. The future value is 500,000. And the payments per year is 1. And the compounding periods per year is equal to 1. Now, if I want to find the PMT, I simply press on the PMT, which is F4, which is the payment. So we press F4. We can find that the payment is 41,645. So the payment is 41,645 US dollars each year. I hope it's clear.